Hi everyone, is your Spectrum landline not working? In this quick guide, we will cover common problems and easy fixes to get you back on track. Let's dive in. Spectrum landline not working, common problems and fixes. Call forwarding settings may be activated. Outgoing calls not working may happen if the dialing method is incorrect or if there are hardware problems with the phone. An inactive subscription can lead to loss of service. Internet connectivity issues can affect VoIP services. A faulty modem may require a reset or a replacement to restore functionality. Device malfunction. Fix 1. Check Spectrum status. Spectrum landline often rely on internet services like VoIP. If your internet is down, it will directly impact your ability to make or receive calls. Go to Spectrum Any Support page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click on chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click MI in an outage and follow the prompts to check the status. Fix 2. Check dial number. Confirm that you are dialing correctly, including area codes for long distance calls. Problems making outgoing calls can stem from incorrect dialing, device malfunctions, or internet connectivity issues. Test with an alternative phone to determine if the issue lies with your current device. Check your internet connection. If your landline uses VoIP, internet issues can affect call functionality. Fix 3. Verify all connections. Loose or incorrect connections can prevent your phone from receiving a dial tone or functioning properly. Ensuring all connections are secure can often resolve these issues quickly. Ensure that the phone line is connected from line 1 or line 2 at the back of the modem to your phone. If using a cordless phone, confirm it is plugged into a power outlet. Check that the coaxial cable is securely connected to the modem. Try checking with alternative cable and replace if it needed. Fix 4. Deactivate call forwarding. To cancel call forwarding, simply dial *73 on your phone. Wait for the deactivation confirmation tone to ensure that call forwarding has been successfully turned off. If call forwarding is enabled, it will be deactivated. Fix 5. Try connecting to another phone. This step helps determine if the issue lies with your original phone or the line itself. If the new phone works, your original device may need replacement. Disconnect your current phone and connect a different one to the same line. Check for a dial tone on the new phone. If it works fine, you need to repair the older phone. Fix 6. Test the wall jack. A faulty wall jack can prevent proper connections, leading to issues with calls. Testing another jack can help identify if this is the problem. If successful, you may need to contact Spectrum for repairs. Disconnect the phone cord from the wall jack and connect it to another available wall jack in your home. Check for a dial tone again. Fix 7. Power off or on the modem. Power cycling can resolve temporary glitches in the modem that affect call functionality by refreshing its system and clearing out minor bugs. Unplug the modem from the power outlet and, if applicable, remove any backup batteries. Wait for at least 5 minutes before plugging it back in. Allow 10 minutes for the modem to fully reset before checking your phone again. Fix 8. Check internet connection. Spectrum landline often rely on internet services like VoIP. If your internet is down, it will directly impact your ability to make or receive calls. Ensure your internet service is active by checking if other devices can connect online. If you have VoIP service, a disruption in internet connectivity will affect your landline as well. Fix 9. Check subscription status. An inactive subscription due to billing problems can lead to service interruptions, including loss of landline functionality. To find your balance, sign into your account. From Account Summary page, select the Billing tab where you can see the balance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.